In today's challenge, we have question from logarithm. So you can see we have a logarithmic equation here and we need to solve, meaning we are looking for the value of x here. So we will do step by step everything here. So first of all, I will take this. As you can see, we have base a everywhere, right? So we can write it down as log base a 2 minus x. I'm just rewriting minus 2 log base a x equals to log base a, we have log 3. So this remains as it is. As you can see, this is log m minus n. Log m minus n is log m over log n. So we will write log base a, it's gonna be 2 minus x over, we will have x squared, because this x this 2 will go up on a x, so it will become x squared, right, like this. So then we have here log 3 base a, right? So now exponentiate both sides. When you do exponential on both sides, so then this will base 2, this is going to be on power of e here, and this is also going to be power on e. Then e and log will get cancelled, so you will have only remaining with the equation 2 minus x over x squared and will be equals to 3. Now this we can write it down 3 over 1, then cross multiply. So this is 3x squared equals to 2 minus x. Now you have a quadratic. 3x squared plus x minus 2 equals to 0, right? So now we can have use the quadratic formula. So it is minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. You can also use your calculator directly to calculate these values. Now let me go here. This is 1 square minus 4 times 3 minus 2 over 2a. A is 3. So this comes out to be equals to 1 plus minus, sorry, negative 1 plus minus 5 over 6. So I got from here the value is of x as 4 over 6, and we are getting it negative 1. So now this negative 1 is not cannot be the value, so not valid, because log of negative is invalid. So then we will have only x equals to 2 over 3. So final answer is 2 over